Andito kami ngayon, kagagaling lang namin ng Grand Palais. While on our way to Daluba, andito nakita namin tong napakagandang mga museum like the Petit Palais. Andun din yung Alexander III Bridge. Kaya tara, sama kayo. Join us here, dito sa Ireland. Yes, dito sa Ireland goes to Paris. Lakad tayo outside the Grand Palais. If you haven't been to Grand Palais, just watch na lang our video para makita nyo yung spectacular inside ng Grand Palais. Here, makikita nyo yung mga popular sites ng Paris like Petit Palais, that one, and yung Pont Alexander III Bridge. Kaya tara, lakad namin kayo. On our way to Louvain. Around this morning yung Champs-Élysées na eh. Pero hindi na kami masyadong mag-iikot sa Champs-Élysées kasi pupunta na kami sa Louvain. Uy, Papa, may arc dun oh. Yun dun ba yung Arc de Triomphe? The Trump?
Oh, yan yung Arc de Triomphe.
Ah, yun na pala yung
Ito yung Champs-Élysées.
at the very end.
Ito na yung Champs-Élysées.
This around is the Champs-Élysées corners. And then at the very end, yung may round king doon, hindi ko alam kung ano. Ayan. Malalapit lang sila lahat. Gucci. One building of Gucci. Ayan. Pag nandun dito sa train station, may barrier. Where there? Ang ganda niya. Yan na may barrier siya. So talagang accident of falling sa train station. Prevented. This is ano eh. Nakalimutan ko kung yung station niya. Galing pala kami sa Franklin Road Station. So ito yung next stop niya going to Daluba, Champs-Élysées, Clemenceau. May barrier din yung kanilang train station dito. Train to train. Yung may distance nila, oh.
Marami kasi siguro kasi tumatagal dito.
Yeah, I think so.
Connecting.
So this is the train station to Louvain, Palais Royal. Oh, kailangan na naman natin ang ating card. You really need to make sure yung card mo na be-verified. Dito pala papasok ka sa ganitong entrance. Tapos nasa loob na yung glass. Be, come here. The ceiling. Ano ba to? Tatawid na ba? Mukha nga. Okay. Dito talaga kilala yung ano eh, yung Paris eh, yung sa architecture nila. Alam mo yung ganyan. Yung columns. Yan, sa kikita nila yung triangle. Uy, yun na siya. the Louvre.
Yes, but we need to know, is it like stupid timings? Is that why it's shut?
Okay. Down to Atlanta. She was in Manhattan.